Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am unboxing another new product. This is a Kogan 32 inches full HD straight monitor, so which has a 75 hertz processor, and it has a 8 microsecond response time and 1920 into 1080 resolution, and it has HDMI and VGA ports, and with the weight of 5.65 kilo, and with the 1 year warranty. Let's see what's inside the box, and please leave in your comments if you like this product or no. I purchased for $189 from Kogan website. So let's see the product, how it looks like. So this is the power cable, and this is the HDMI also it has, and this is the adapter for the power, and this is the user manual with the warranty information, and this is the stand, and this is also part of the stand. It will combine like this. Monitor. So this is the monitor, as you can see, 32 inches monitor with the 920 into 1080 resolution, and it's a very thin panel. As you can see that it's a very thin panel, and on the back if you see, and see, these are the output it has for HDMI and VGA cables, and the other output for the audio. As you can see, this is the Kogan monitor. It's a 32 inches monitor. You can see the resolution is all good. If you have any question, please leave it in the comments. I will be happy to answer. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.